How to add phone number on Temu. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your phone number to your Temu account. It helps you manage your purchases and notifications more effectively. So, let's get started. First, launch the Temu app on your mobile device. Next, make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the U tab at the bottom of the screen. Then, click on your profile picture. Now, notice the small icon next to your name and click on it. Here, you can change your email and add or update your phone number. Click on the Add button related to the phone number. Enter your phone number and click on the Submit button. A verification code will be sent to that phone number. When you receive the verification code, enter it in the designated fields. If you don't receive the code, click on Resend Code to try again. Once verified, you can see your phone number listed in your profile. Make sure to save any changes before exiting the settings. Now you know how to add your phone number on Temu. And that's it. Make sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.